fashion, no. Fashion, go, yo. Wagon, or the rover. I put some ice on you. Go, I know, gotta keep, go. Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed this really pretty melon colored, inspired by my outfit look with a little pop of purple because I feel like orange and purple are just my thing right now. I'm super excited to show you guys on how to get this look. Okay, see you. So we're going to start off by laying down our eyebrow hairs, and for that I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow Zings Pro Palette. In here there's a clear brow gel, and that's what I'm going to use to lay these eyebrow hairs down temporarily because later we'll go in with X. And just put all my eyebrow hairs in place. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so taking this brush as well from the Jaclyn collection, and I'm just going to blend that concealer. In this Young, Wild and Cruelty-Free eyeshadow palette by Tarte. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It says, "Two can do it." Like two can do it. And we're just going to apply that. I have hooded eyes, so I'm applying past my crease towards my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with this more burnt orange color that they have in the palette. This one's called No Fox Given. A tinier blender brush, just so it's a little bit more precise for where it's gonna go. And I'm putting it in like a winged position just so my eyes can elongate this way. Jump into the Carnival XL Pro palette by Bperfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie. It is lit. So the color, and this one is just going to go where that original transition shade went. And then I'm going in with a smaller blending brush. Go in with the shade Intuition in the palette. Well, and here we go. This one's perfect. There's another one. This is the Jaclyn. And with this brush, I'm going to grab this yellow right here. This one's called Keen. And we're going to apply that right in our inner corner. Well, the top right here. So we have some extra colors in here. It's like some sunset vibes right now. I feel like it cleans up that other orange so nicely too. I wish you guys could see. I'm hoping it's picking up really nicely in the camera because this is so pretty so far. I'm just going right back into this outer corner with that color we mentioned, Intuition. Making sure our shape is good. We're going in with yet another palette. I know, Sandra, how many eyeshadow palettes are you gonna use? Well, you gotta go for the ones that has the colors you need, right? So I'm taking the Kylie Summer palette. This color right here is called Melon. And we're gonna apply that all over our lids. And using one of my new Jaclyn Hill brushes. This one is the JH51, and it just reminds me of, so Morphe brushes remind me so much of MAC brushes, and MAC's brushes changed to synthetic brushes now, and I feel like Morphe brushes remind me so much of the MAC brushes when they were made with goat hair, and that's why I love them so much. The quality of them are so amazing, and their cost, listen, so cheap. So grabbing this shade Melon, I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. I dampened my brush a little bit just so I get more pigment. I'm gonna go back in with one of those fluffy brushes of mine that I used at the beginning, and just blending all these edges out. This Diamond Bronze Finisher by Artist Couture looks like this. I'm gonna apply that right over top. I love, 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 love this. I just feel like, you see the sparkles. Oh my gosh, the sparkles. This is a Sephora waterproof. What is this exactly? This is the Colorful Crayon Contour Eye Pencil. It's 12-hour wear. And I'm gonna just of this brush right here. This is an Anastasia brush. I'm gonna go back in with Intuition from the Carnival palette. And I'm gonna take that to further deepen this eyeliner. With my Cuddly Beauty Elixir. A little bit of moisturizer. This is the Belief the True Cream. And I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. The KKW Concealer in shade 8. This is I could first cover any dark circles of mine. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. Oh, this is new too. This is the Juno sponge. It's my first time using it right now. Feels so weird compared to a beauty blender like the Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to put some of my Kapari lip glossy on, and I'm running out. I do have a discount code for you guys for this, so I will put it down below. I love it. That's what it looks like. I do like how it applies it though, like it looks so luminous in a way. And I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. The KKW number 5. And we want to pinch our nose, so we're bringing that concealer closer to the nose contour. And with this Kylie, we are going shopping blush. It's my favorite. I also think that the peachy tone go perfect with our look. Cute. And now to fully blend everything out, we're gonna go with a big fluffy brush. There's also a Jaclyn brush. Give Me Brow in shade 3.5. Looks like this cute little thing. This is going to add fullness to our brows and also fill in any sparse areas that we have. Now with the Precisely My Brow pencil in shade 4.5, whatever little sparse area for the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to go back in with that Sephora brown. Now I'm going to take this is the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to take the shade Unicorn Tribe. It's such a pretty purple. Inner corner brow bone highlight. I'm first going to go in with Vanilla Pigment. This is by MAC. Somehow. And we're going to apply this right here in this inner corner, and this pigment is so pigmented. We're going to go in with MAC Melon Pigment all over our cheekbone, like the vanilla pigment, and I'm going to put that in. And with MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer, being together for us. This is the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop lip liner. This Artist Couture lipstick in Saucy Girl. Going in with the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. Just applying that on my lashes so they don't look ashy once we put those super black lashes on. Alright babies, so that's it. I applied my lashes off camera. These are Amandizzle lashes with Amboot lashes. You'll find them on Instagram. I'll tag them below. This look at that highlighter, bitch, please. Look at that. Look at it. Do you see it? Oh, and I was going to talk to you guys about the Juno sponge. I do like the sponge. What I have to say is that it really holds on to the product, which I would say is very beneficial, because I feel like with a lot of other beauty sponges, it absorbs a lot of our products, and I don't feel like the Juno sponge absorbs any of our products. But because of that, you have to be a little bit more careful, because you could get cakey around these areas, which I had to go back multiple times and like try to blend it out a little bit more, because I noticed that it was a little cakey. But besides that, I feel like it applied my foundation beautifully. My concealer, I got full coverage from it, and I'm happy with that. I think that's great. So I definitely recommend it. So this is the final look. And it is so cute. It is really cute. It's fun. It was very fun to do this. I played with a lot of oldies that I had and haven't touched in a while, so that was super exciting. And this highlight just came out way too poppin', and I hope you get it the same way. But okay babies, I'll see you for the next one, okay? Because there's gonna be more. Bye.